Alright, so my bench is all in disarray right now. I need to get my um, display hung back up. Anyways, so we've got a Black Knight 2000 MPU here, as well as the soundboard. But with the MPU, we had quite a bit of alkaline corrosion here that was all the way up from the ground plane down into both of the PIAs, over here into the LED section and the somewhat of the special solenoids with displays into the sound, yada yada yada. So we went ahead and rebuilt, or just went ahead and scraped actually, the reset section and installed a modern reset generator here. Installed three new power filter caps, as well as the two sound caps here, which are the 10 UFs. Replaced both of the sockets there for the sound ROMs. Replaced the socket here for the 6802. Went ahead and installed NVRAM and socketed that as well. And then also the two game ROM sockets, as well as the 6802 here. Also got a new socket. Here in the alkaline area, we had to pull the three PIAs. One of the PIAs was actually so corroded, we had some legs that were kind of altered there. So we had to go ahead and replace one of those. So went ahead and placed that into a good socket, as well as a 7407. Had quite a few parts. So some, what is this, 0.01 UF caps, jumpers. We had to install new LEDs. These were all corroded. Some new resistors. We're able to save the 74154. Not so much for the SCRs though. Went ahead and replaced those with just some standard SIP resistors. Replaced the power input header, as well as the main display header, and then the first display header here as well. And I believe that is it on this board. We'll move over to the soundboard. So we went ahead and just recapped everything. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 10 UF capacitors. We had 3 100 UF capacitors. We had 2 470 UF and 2 1000 UF capacitors that were replaced. Went ahead and resocketed the CPU, as well as the two sound ROMs, and then also the Yamaha as well that was socketed. So we'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. So press advance for the test report, and test report comes back with, switch is not working for the motor because we don't have a motor attached. Go into the sounds here. And as you can see, all the sounds are working. So get some ribbon cables kind of going every which way here. And cycle through the display test here. Just greet this test every single output of the displays, so that's all good.
You got the power.
Give me your money.
Fight. You can do it.
No way. Stand up and fight.
I want to play this game so bad after hearing this. This is just comical.
Stand up and fight.
Beat the Black Knight. You got the
Alright, move into the lamps. All the lamps there are working. And then into the single lamps. Which obviously those are all working. And then we've got the solenoid test. So it'll test both the A side and C side there of each solenoid. And into the special solenoids. trigger these as well. Those are all working. And then switch levels, we'll go into switch edges, and we'll just go through diagonally here. And the last switch in Black Knight 2000 is switch 59 there. So obviously we're not going to test the motor. We don't have a motor attached because we're not in a pinball machine. But everything is good to go. And I've got it set to free play there for you already. So thank you so much for sending it. I appreciate it.